Prove that the points B, C and A are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. Points will be vertices of an equilateral triangle if sides of equilateral triangle are equal. Suppose we have a triangle ABC. If AB equal to BC equal to AC, if AB equal to BC equal to AC, then triangle will be equilateral. So we will find length of all sides in this question. Then we will prove that this triangle is equilateral triangle. Point A is 2a plus root 3a, comma 5a. Point B is 2a comma 4a. Find AB equal to root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. What is x1 here? 2a plus root 3a minus x2. x2 is 2a. What is y1? y1 is 5a. 2a will cancel, minus 2a. So we have root 3a square plus 5a minus 4a, a square. This is equal to 3a square plus a square, 4a square, which is equal to 2a. So length of AB is 2a. Now we find BC. B is 2a comma 4a. C is 2a comma 6a. We find BC. BC equal to x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. 2a minus 2a whole square plus y1 minus y2, 4a minus 6a whole square. 2a minus 2a is 0. 4a minus 6a is minus 2a. 0 square 0. 2a square is 4a square. 4a square का square root 2a. The length of BC is 2a. Now we will find what? Now we find third side AC. We find third side AC. AC. What is A? What is C? What is the coordinate of A? What is the coordinate of C? Right first. A is 2a plus root 3a, comma 5a. What is C? C is 2a comma 6a. So AC equal to root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. What is x1? x1 is 2a plus root 3a. What is x2? 2a. What is y1? 5a. What is y2? 6a whole square. 2a will cancel, minus 2a. Root 3a square is what? 3a square. 5a minus 6a minus a square. So 3a square plus a square equal to 4a square, which is equal to 2a. So finally, so AB equal to BC equal to AC equal to 2A. Hence ABC are vertices of triangle ABC. Again understand, we have to prove that ABC are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. So we have to prove that AB equal to BC equal to AC. First we find AB, which is 2A. We find AB by using distance formula. Then we find BC by using distance formula, which is also equal to 2A. Then we find AC, which is also equal to 2A. So AB equal to BC equal to AC equal to 2A. Since all the sides of triangle ABC are equal, so ABC is equilateral triangle. Hence ABC are vertices of equilateral triangle. ABC of equilateral triangle ABC.